Currently at 26% state of charge. Got 68 miles of range left. I drove for 152.7 miles, getting 3.3 kilowatts per mile. The car was on for 7 hours and 27 minutes. I'll be charging to 80%. Right now, if I was charging an 800 volt DC fast charger, it would take 14 minutes to get to 80%. On a 400 volt system, you're looking at 56 minutes to get to 80%. On a 240 volt system, which is what I'm charging on a level 2 charger, you're looking at 4 hours and 20 minutes. It may take a little bit longer because I got to reduce the speed down, or the amps down, to about 37 amps instead of 40. So probably add another 45 minutes to that. But if you're going to charge on a 120 volt 20 amp household circuit, yeah, you're looking at 42 hours and 40 minutes to get to 80%. So currently at 29% state of charge, start off at about 26% state of charge, getting 8.9 kilowatts per hour. I always have to reduce my Emporia level 2 charger down to 20 or 36 amps because they're overheating at the J1772 and the charge port on the car. But right now it's going to take about 4 hours and 45 minutes to get to 80%. Again, getting 8.9 kilowatts per hour at a reduced 36 amps.
So it took about 5 hours to get to 80%. Again, I have to reduce my level 2 charger down to 37 amps because of overheating at the J1772 and the charge port of the car. But you can see here it took 5 hours and 4 minutes to add 43.43 kilowatt hours back to the battery, and it cost $6.94.
So my wife drove the car this morning, but we did start out about 80% or 79%. She drove for 22.8 miles, getting 3.2 kilowatts per mile. I have about 203 miles of range left, so I started off about probably about 250-ish range, and then she drove in, plus the EV with AC on and stuff, reduces energy. So other than that, yeah. Decent charge, 5 hours, no stops. Again, having to reduce the amperage out of the Emporia level 2 charger so that it doesn't overheat at the J1771 and the charge port of the car. But we added about 250 miles, and right now I have about 203 left of range. My wife already drove about 22.8 miles.